Where can you earn up to $1,000 for opening a CD? And can you still get 5% CDs after the latest Fed rate cut? Hello, Diamond NestEgg members, Super Savers, and course fans. I hope you're healthy and well. As requested by quite a few of you in our community who hold CDs in your portfolio, today's video will cover the best CD rates for September 2025 that we've come across. And somewhat to my surprise, there are still a few financial institutions offering 5% and above CD rates, despite the Fed lowering rates by 25 basis points to between 4 and 4.25% this past Wednesday. There are some restrictions for these 5% and higher CD rate promotions, but that is to be expected given the above market rate. And we'll discuss in this video what these conditions are and whether you may be able to meet them, which may be of particular interest for those of you who are new to the digital savings platform HEREIN and or who live in certain areas of the country. We have 10 different options for you today, so hopefully one of them will fit your individual circumstances, goals, and expectations. All of the CDs that I'm presenting in this video are FDIC or NCUA insured to the best of our knowledge. The NCUA and FDIC insure individual accounts at credit unions and banks respectively up to $250,000. I've linked these two videos in the first pinned comment below for those of you who want a deeper dive into how NCUA and FDIC insurance work. Let's dive in now, folks. What are the best CD rates that we found for you this month? We've organized our list of the best CD rates in September by APY, starting with the CDs that have the lowest APY and ending with those that have the highest APY. At number 10 is Eagle Bank, which is offering a 24-month CD at an APY of 4%. The minimum investment requirement is $1,000. There's no maximum allowable investment from what we could find, and you can open the CD online or in branch. Eagle Bank was founded in 1998 and has branch locations throughout DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Number 9 on our list is American Express, which is offering a 22-month CD, also at an APY of 4%. There's no minimum investment requirement and no maximum allowable investment from what we could find, and you can open the CD online. American Express is a globally recognized financial services company, generally more well-known for their credit cards, but they do offer a range of online CDs, savings accounts, and checking accounts as well. Number 8 on our list is Synchrony Bank, which is offering a 15-month CD at an APY of 4.25%. There's no minimum investment requirement and no maximum allowable investment from what we could find, and you can open the CD online. Synchrony Bank is the online banking arm of Synchrony Financial, a large American financial services company. For those of you who are interested in CDs with an even longer term than the ones we've discussed so far, do note that Synchrony is also offering a 36-month CD at an APY of 4%, as well as a 60-month CD at an APY of 4.15%. Moving on now to number 7 on our list, for those of you looking for CDs that are a bit shorter term. We have Bread Savings, which is offering a 6-month CD at an APY of 4.4%. The minimum investment requirement is $1,500. The maximum allowable investment is $1 million per account, and you can open the CD online. Bread Savings is the online banking division of Bread Financial, which is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, and trades under the ticker symbol of BFH on the New York Stock Exchange. Number 6 on our list is Lending Club, which is offering an 8-month CD at an APY of 4.45%. The minimum investment requirement is $500. The maximum allowable investment is $500,000, and you can open the CD online. Lending Club is a San Francisco-based online financial services company that started in 2007 as a peer-to-peer lending marketplace. It has since evolved into a digital bank. Number 5 on our list is HUSTL Digital Credit Union. I assume you pronounce this Hustle. Hustle is offering a 12-month CD at an APY of 4.5%. The minimum investment requirement is $500. There's no maximum allowable investment from what we could find, and you can open the CD online. Hustle Digital Credit Union, an online banking division of Vantage West Credit Union, was founded in 2024 and is targeting freelancers and gig workers. All Hustle deposits are held at Vantage West, where savings are insured by the credit union's NCUA insurance fund, meaning that if you're a customer with both Hustle and Vantage West, your deposits at both institutions would be added up for NCUA insurance purposes. Now, like all credit unions, there are requirements for joining, but you don't need to be a freelancer or gig worker. You qualify if you have ties to Tucson and Southern Arizona. You can read these here in detail. Or you can join Local First Arizona, a nonprofit supporting local businesses. Hustle says that on your application form, you can simply select, I would like to join Local First Arizona. We'll cover your membership fee to join Local First, and you'll be automatically qualified to become a Hustle member while supporting local businesses and communities. You'll still need to make the $5 minimum opening deposit to your savings account to become a member of Hustle. Now, we haven't tried this out ourselves, so we can't say how seamlessly this works in real life. Drop us a comment below if you're a Hustle customer and let us know what your experience has been like. Next on our list, coming in at number 4, is Connexus Credit Union, which is offering a 7-month share certificate at an APY of 4.6%. Certificates are for most practical purposes the credit union version of a traditional CD. The minimum investment requirement is $5,000 in new money. There's no maximum allowable investment from what we could find, and you can open the CD online. Connexus Credit Union was founded in 1935 and headquartered in Wausau, Wisconsin, and serves members across all 50 states. According to their website, anyone in the U.S. is eligible to join Connexus by simply becoming a member of the Connexus Association through a one-time $5 donation. However, unlike for Hustle, Connexus' website does not mention anything about refunding this $5 donation from what we could see. For those of you watching this, do note that employees, retirees, family members, students, or student alumni of one of these following groups listed here are also eligible to join Connexus Credit Union, as well as residents in one of these communities in Illinois, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Please do visit their website at connexuscu.org for more information. At number 3 on our list is HEREIN. Unlike the banks and credit unions we've discussed so far, HEREIN doesn't offer CDs or savings accounts themselves. Rather, HEREIN is a digital savings platform that gives its customers access to CDs, high-yield savings accounts, and other deposit products through their network of FDIC-insured banks and NCUA-insured credit unions through their platform. Currently, on HEREIN's platform, MPH Bank, a division of Liberty Savings Bank, is offering a 60-month callable CD at 4.3%. The CD is callable after 6 months, and the minimum investment requirement is $1. There is no maximum allowable investment from what we could find, and you can open the CD online. What makes this CD really attractive, though, is that HEREIN is currently offering a new customer bonus. You can earn up to $1,000 with code EASY at sign-up, or EASY. The fine print at the bottom indicates that customers will receive $75 for depositing between $10,000 and $24,999, $250 for depositing between $25,000 and $49,999, $500 for depositing between $50,000 and $99,999, and $1,000 for depositing $100,000 or more. To qualify for the bonus, your first deposit must be initiated between August 1st, 2025 and September 30th, 2025 by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, and the promo code EASY must be entered at the time of sign-up. Only funds deposited within 14 days of the initial deposit date and maintained with partner banks on the HEREIN platform for 90 days will be eligible for this bonus. Number 2 on our list is Apple Federal Credit Union, which is offering a 12-month share certificate at an APY of 5%. The minimum investment requirement is $500. The maximum allowable investment is $5,000. You can open this online. Apple FCU was founded in 1956. To be eligible, you need to live and or work in certain Virginia areas, such as Fairfax County, the City of Fairfax, Prince William County, City of Manassas Park, Frederick County, and City of Winchester. Please visit their website at applefcu.org for more information. And number one on our list for today is Daniel Sheridan Federal Credit Union, which was originally chartered in 1943 and is offering a 12-month share certificate at an APY of 5.11%. The minimum investment requirement is $500. There is no maximum allowable investment from what we could find. Now, this sounds attractive, but from what we understand, Daniel Sheridan Federal Credit Union has only 2 branches in Montana, in Scobie and Medicine Lake, both not too far from the Canadian border. Their offerings seem to be open only to residents and businesses of the following Montana counties: Daniels, Garfield, Macomb, Phillips, Roosevelt, Sheridan, and Valley. Meaning that it doesn't seem that you can open an account online. Please visit their website at dsfcu.net for more information. Now, before you dive into any of the CDs that we've covered today, though, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, if you live in a high income tax state, it may make sense to compare the CD rates you're considering with Treasury rates, because interest earned on CDs is fully taxable, whereas interest earned on Treasuries is only taxable at the federal level, but exempt from taxes at state and local levels. As a point of reference, here's where Treasury stands at the current time. Second, all rates we've talked about in this video are as of the time of this taping and subject to change. So if you do decide to move ahead with any of the financial institutions that we've discussed today, please do refer to the links in the first pinned comment below for the most current details on rates, minimum balances, fees, and so on. And third, we don't have any affiliation with any of the financial institutions and platforms we talked about today. If you do have an account or other relationship with one of them, drop a comment below and let us know what your experience has been like, both good and not so good, so that our Diamond Nest Egg regulars know what to look out for. Also leave a comment below if you have any great offers that we haven't covered today. All right, members, super savers, and course fans, so I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And if you watch this CD video to the end, but bonds are actually more your cup of tea, then check out this video here on our bond courses. And come join our next live member Q&A to get a deeper dive into our perspective on where rates may be headed during these uncertain times, happening this Sunday, September 21st at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. Pacific Time. I've linked all the details on our bond courses and our YouTube Super Saver membership below this video for your convenience. See you again very soon with more brand new wealth building content for your financial journey.